All right, so we've got a Walther PPK SD with the threaded barrel. And let me go ahead and open it up for you guys. So as you can see, Walther makes a two-piece threaded barrel. So when you take the thread protector off, you can see that there's a spot for a wrench to go to wrench this off. And what's great about this is because the barrel does not easily come out of the gun, they gave it this feature to where you could just take that off and now it's a flush barrel. But the problem is the threads are still exposed and they can get damaged. So wouldn't it be really cool if Walther made another threaded end cap that you could just thread on over that and it would sit flush with the end? Well, unfortunately, they do not make that. And this gun has been out for a long time. They haven't made one. Nobody's made one until now. This little piece is what we're talking about. This is the Old Glory Guns and Ammo threaded end cap thread protector for your Walther PPK SD. So let me show you how this goes on. It's super easy. It actually matches the color of the factory barrel better than the factory one. But this is not blued, it is black Cerakote. I just took it to the range yesterday and tested it out. I fired 50 rounds through it, no problem. It didn't get loose. It didn't discolor. No issues whatsoever. And that's what it looks like installed. So this is really awesome, really useful. It's too bad Walther doesn't make them, but Old Glory Guns and Ammo is here to save us. And they are producing these parts right now. I'll post a link in the description to their website and also to the product page. Use code SCIENCE10 for 10% off. And here's what the website looks like. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below. If you've got a PPK and you're going to order one, let me know about it. And I'll see you on the next one.